Happy Saturday, folks. I know I got my gangster look going on here, but I feel like I think better when I turn my hat around. I don't know why, but that's just a thing for me when I'm thinking. How are you guys doing on your Saturday goals? Right now I'm sitting on this couch and it's 8 something, 8:36, 37, I don't know. All of the rings are closed just about. I still have about 50 calories to burn. I didn't really eat much today. I met the exercise goal and the stand goal, but my phone keeps beeping because it's like, you have not met your walk goal for the day or step goal for today. I went to an event, but I didn't do much walking. And then I came home and I've just sat down. And so I'm wondering, one of the things that I usually will do, like sometimes, because that's also good for inflammation, is I'll run, work. All right, so I decided, I asked y'all, like, what should I do? I don't feel like getting on the trampoline, so I got me some socks. Christmas socks, by the way. And I'm going to just go walk through my community. I don't know, that's going to probably not burn a whole lot, but we're just going to do facilitate an indoor walk. Definitely will have to walk a little more. I am not doing the stairs though. I know somebody was probably thinking that too. Like, hey, go do the stairs. Absolutely not. My knees are not ready for the stairs. So if I was to be honest, they are not ready for the stairs because those 2 days in a row, I attempted to do 12 flights of stairs. No, we still have inflammation to get out. We still got weight to lose because part of that inflammation, it's all over the body. So that creates friction, that creates pain. And yeah, I got all that. So my knees they were hurting. I think I did that like Tuesday or something like that. Anyway, my knees were hurting Wednesday at work and Thursday, and they kind of stopped hurting yesterday. So we ain't doing that. Anyway, let's go and do this walk. I literally have on shorts and I think it's like 40 degrees outside, but I don't think I'm going outside. But let's go. All right, guys. So, I got to have the fanfare before I even make it out there. You see me smiling, got to get on the elevator, and I'm still sitting here contemplating. But here's the thing, the real deal. I did it. 10,000 plus steps. And I almost didn't. Let me tell you something. The hardest part wasn't my knees. It wasn't the inflammation. It wasn't even the time. It was the conversation that I was running through my head because I had already closed my rings. I told you that. I had already done enough. I could have sat down. I could have said, that's good for today. But this reset season that I'm in, it's not doing what's easy. It's all about doing what I said I would do. And you guys are watching me make and keep my commitment. And I'm realizing something. In this midlife reset, discipline is louder than feelings. Feelings said you're tired. Feelings said your knees hurt. Feelings said you already did enough. But discipline said you set a goal. Girl, get up and finish it. And it's not even about the steps, y'all. It's about proving to myself that I can trust myself again. It's a new season. This is a season of evidence, because if I can't trust myself with 10,000 steps, how am I going to trust myself with bigger goals? The business, the healing, the financial reset, the weight loss, the inflammation, the back pain, all of that. Getting me back. This right here, this is what I call evidence. Evidence marked in time. Evidence that I didn't quit when I didn't feel like it. And I think a lot of us are waiting to feel motivated. But motivation is cute. Consistency is life-changing. So if you didn't feel like doing your goal today and you did it anyway, I'm proud of you. Give yourself a pat on the back. And if you did it and you didn't get it done, it's okay. You can still get up. You can still step the steps. Take the step. You can still move, because the reset, it's not dramatic. It's daily. And today, I chose discipline. I want to encourage you to choose discipline too. 10,000 steps, y'all. Midlife reset in real time. That's me. I'm happy. I'm celebrating. Let's celebrate together.